Here's something you don't see every day. Now, I'm no biologist, but I'm sure that's a whale. Either that or insert your mama joke here. That tasty little seal looks about as surprised as me. You may be thinking, what's the big deal? Isn't this a common sighting in Iceland? Well, yes, if you're on a boat miles out in the ocean, it's super rare that they come this close to land. I've seen a whale close to land once in my life, and that was nowhere near this close. And this is so rare, in fact, that it made the news. Turns out it wasn't just the one whale. There's a bunch of them out there. They are humpback whales, and not only is it rare that they appear so close to land, it's even more rare that they do so during the winter, when they usually stay around the equator. And Iceland is about as far from the equator as you can get without freezing off your royal todger. Okay, this is super exciting. I've always wanted to chase a whale with my drone, and this is my chance, so I am going home to get it. Okay, so I forgot the drone remote. We'll try again tomorrow. Take 2. It's quite early in the morning, so it's a little bit dark out, but I can see it. Now let's chase it. I tell you what, I'm an IT security expert. 2-factor authentication is a must, except not on a drone app when you're trying to chase a whale. Alright, here we go. Now where'd that bastard go? Okay, so it's heading right for me. Okay, come back, drone. Come back. This is gonna be trickier than I thought. Okay, it's literally right in front of me, and the only camera I have is the bloody drone that's out there somewhere in the ocean. Come on! Look at me, standing there on the pier, like an idiot. Try to calm down the dog that's going nuts, probably because there's a whale heading right towards us. Thinking, why on earth didn't I just use my camera, which is strapped to the remote on my drone, so I can't do anything except marvel when this magnificent beast comes out of the ocean literally meters from the pier. Okay, so all I have to do is now keep an eye on it and chase it, and that's quite hard, believe it or not, because it dives quite deep and I can't really see it. I need to wait for it to just skim along the surface like it does sometimes, and then perhaps I will get the shot that I want. But I do swear, it just certainly seems like it's taunting me. It's just teasing me along. It just keeps showing its head and then disappears for like a minute or two, and then it will appear somewhere completely different. It's insane how fast they can swim. And all I can do is give chase. But I'm not about to give up, and I can feel this sit. I can see the big black shadow in the ocean, and I think it's gonna surface again soon. So I'm just gonna follow along and see if I can predict where it comes. Oh, there we go. There we go. That's it. I got it. I've got it. Once more, baby. Please, once more. Come on, come on. That's the shot. That's the shot I've been waiting for. Come on, come on. Do it, do it. Oh, yes. Have a nice trip.